Alright, I got this light about a year ago. It's a Snapon magnetic work light. It's worked pretty good so far. I've been welding with it, so that lens got burnt, but other than that, it works pretty good. It still works. I've had it over a year now. It's got adjustable, you can dim it just by holding the button. As far as long as the battery lasts, it'll last about 2 hours on the highest setting, and it'll last just a little bit longer on the lower settings. But what I'm gonna do is try to repair it, see if I could find a lens for it, because if you send it off to Snap-on, because they could rebuild it, it'll cost you like $50 and the light's only like 60, so you might as well just buy another light. But I'm going to take it apart, see if I could fix it. Only bad thing about the magnet, if you grind or anything, it stays with the magnet. So if you put it on a car or anything, you might scratch it. But it rotates. Let's see. But still, it's a good little light, and I'm going to see if I can fix it. If not, I'll just buy another one.